Hello there guys, welcome to another tutorial, and today we're going to learn about reference plane in Solidworks, and this is very important for product designing. If you're looking forward to product designing or 3D designing, 3D modeling, printouts in Solidworks, this is the place for you, and this is a very important factor for Solidworks in general. Now let's start off. We hit Control N, we go to the part file. Okay, let's make a random shape. Let's go to the top plane, sketch. I'm gonna make a let's say a conical shape, for instance. Let's take a line from here to like here. Now let's give this some shape. Oh, not sweep. Revolved boss base. I forgot to click the reference boss base. No. Yes, this is my conical shape. There's like 10 millimeters, I guess. Let's make it 5. Yeah, that seems nice. Okay. Now, we can make sketches from different places, okay? From the top plane or the right plane or the front plane, like front, top, or right plane. Like, now, what if I told you if you had to make a sketch from this surface, you cannot. Like, there's no sketch edit feature. You can edit sketch, but that's the other part, not this one. Let's get back to it. What we can do is we can make a reference geometry or reference. In the reference geometry, we can make a reference plane, and in that plane we can sketch our whatever we want to sketch. Now this is kind of hard. Reference geometry, you're gonna have to take a few things to in mind. Now let's see, if we want to make a reference geometry on respect to our front plane, we click the front plane and we go reference and make a plane, right? It makes a reference plane below. Let's bring it up, shall we? We hit this icon. Oh no, it's taking to the other side. What if we make it 10? Would come back? Yes, it does. Now let's make it minus 20. Oh, it doesn't get back. Let's flip the offset. There we go. Everything doesn't work in SolidWorks. Now if we go in 25 millimeters of space. Oh, I just fixed it. Can I edit this? Edit feature. Yes, I can. Let's go to 10 millimeters, 25 millimeters. Oh, I'm just making another reference plane. No, I don't want that. I want this one to be edited. Edit feature. No, I guess. Never mind. So this is our plane, right? Oh, we can edit in this surface now and design something else in this surface. Now, there's another way of making a reference plane. That is, we go to the front plane, right? Why is our plane shifted? We go to the front plane, and after hitting Control, pressing Control, you'll see when this icon lights up, this plus icon, something like a plus icon, you can move it, and there is another plane or a surface moving from your front plane or reference plane. You want to make a plane reference to it, so let's click it here. Let's give some values like a 40 millimeters. And there you go, you have your reference plane. Let's click OK. Now I'll just delete this one because I don't need it. There we go, reference plane 2. Now let's design on this reference plane, right? We go to plane, we click sketch, and now let's make some sketch. Let's make a circle, right? Something like this. We go to features, extrude boss. We want it to be up to the surface, right? So let's click 20 millimeters. Not there yet. 30 millimeters. Still not there yet, but we're on the outside. Let's make something like a 35 will do, I think. Yes, 35 is going to do. Now we have to do something about this extrude, the part that's coming out. So we're gonna click not blind but up to next. You see this part is totally cut up and it gives a beautiful shape. And this is how you design on a reference geometry. You can design on any plane you want to make. You can make a custom plane for yourself and design on that. We can click sketch in here as well. Let's make a hexagonal shape. We go to the center, make it like so. Not there. Why did you go there? In this surface, I am supposed to design on this surface. Is it not letting me design on that surface? I'm gonna be on the plane and sketch. Oh, I'm out. Let's go. Let's try that again. Sketch on the surface. We are going to click this, and here we go. Up to this. No, it's not happening. For some reason it's not letting me design on that surface. I don't know why. I don't want to click on that. I can just design on this surface, I guess. Yes, I can. So here we go. For the third time, pardon me. Let's see. It keeps on getting that surface, but I don't want to edit in that surface. So why? Okay. So it's just a random reference. So if we go to the features and extrude boss base, let's go around 5mm, shall we? Yes. So now you have made a hole for your holder. Like this is like a holder, a light holder, a bulb holder, whatever you want to call it. And you give a hexagonal shape in here just to have some screws and nuts fixed in it. You can give more holes, and there you go. This is how you product design on SolidWorks. You can mirror this side to this side as well. If you want to learn that, check out my mirror video. That's so much for this one, and I'll see you soon. Peace.